This time we're supposed to convert hexadecimal number to decimal. We're supposed to use exactly the same concept of conversion like we had with binaries. So what I'm supposed to do? Simply write the base over every single digit. Next, you're supposed to apply the exponents 0, 1. So next you're supposed to multiply every weight, in this case 16 to the first power, by the digit which is below that weight, plus another weight multiplied by the digit which is below it. So how it's going to look like? This is 16 to the first times 2 plus 16 to 0 times 5. This is equal 16 to the first is 16 times 2 is 32 plus 16 to 0 is equal 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 32 plus 5 is equal 37. So we can say that 25 in hexadecimal system is equivalent to 37 in decimal system. So 37 is the solution to my problem. We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to convert the hexadecimal to decimal. What we're supposed to do, remember, take the base and write over every single digit. Next, you're supposed to apply the exponents 0, 1, 2. Next, you're supposed to find the sum of the products of weight and each digit. What I mean by that? Simply multiply 16 to the second power times 1 plus 16 to the first power times 6 plus 16 to 0 times 8. This is equal 16 to the second power is equal 256 times 1 is 256 plus 16 to first is 16. 16 times 6 is 96 plus 16 to 0 is equal 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Add them up, your answer is equal 360. So I can say that 168 base 16 is equivalent to 360 of base 10. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to write the base over every single digit. So I have 16, 16, 16, and I'm supposed to add exponent 0, 1, 2. Next, we're supposed to write the sum of the products. What I mean by that, you have to just add the products of the weight and the digits. So I have 16 to the second power times a plus 16 to the first power times 9 plus 16 to 0 times c. But you're supposed to keep in mind that a represents 10. That's why instead of a, I'm supposed to write 16 to the second power times 10. I'm doing everything step by step. Plus 16 to the first times 9 plus 16 to 0 times c. c is 12. That's why I'm going to write over here 12. Equals 16 to the second power is 256 times 10 is 2560 plus 16 times 9 is 144. And 16 to 0 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. If you are going to add all of them together, you'll get the answer 2716. So I can say that A9C base 16 is equivalent to 2716 base 10. And this is the solution to my problem.